Hey guys, welcome back to an all new episode of Conflicts. Today we'll be looking at the AutoFull M6 Ultra Gaming Chair. Some interesting facts about what makes this chair is that it features an elastic lumbar massage, and after all, who doesn't want their chair to give them a nice back rub? Cooling and heated seats for all season comfort for those days when your game gets heated or you need to chill. 360-degree mechanical arms, basically if Dr. Octopus designed a gaming chair. And a 3D ergonomic neck pillow. Now, I already had this set up because nobody wants to watch me struggle with an instruction manual for 40 minutes. Unlike regular gaming chairs that use wooden boards and unsupportive foam, this particular chair doesn't. So let's go ahead and break it down because this gaming chair here has much as moving parts as our robot right here. Well, not really. Now, in terms of the elastic lumbar massage, it features a vibrating massage that has 3 different settings, also 3 different pulsings, as well as heating and cooling. The heating element warms you up and built-in fans keep you cool. So whether you're sweating from a boss fight or freezing from the AC, you're covered. 360-degree mechanical arms that feature a 20-degree fold-up, a 360-degree main axis rotation, 70mm up and down, 90mm front to back, and a 40-degree secondary axis rotation. So a lot of rotations based on your personal liking. And then it also features a 3D ergonomic neck pillow, giving you 32mm fore and aft adjustments, 100mm up and down adjustment, as well as a 60-degree side wrap. Basically, it's a Swiss Army knife of gaming chairs. Now, it comes in a very relatively simple box with pretty cool display of how to go ahead and build it. And then in terms of building it goes, it did require some steps and took roughly about 20 minutes to build. Overall, the process wasn't too difficult, and this here is the final product. So to go ahead and set this up, it's pretty much ready to go. The only thing is you do need to give it some source of power. Now on the back side, it features a USB port that you go ahead and connect to either a wall outlet or a portable charger the way I did myself. My only complaint would be obviously the USB supply power. Obviously you would have to have some kind of power to it, so you do need to be near an outlet or at least have a portable charger in case if you do want to go ahead and use the actual usages of the particular chair. One thing that really stands out to me is that unlike regular gaming chairs that use wooden boards and unsupportive foam, the M6 features a lumbar support made from synthetic sponge and injection molding. That means better durability and support for your back, so you can go ahead and sit for hours without regretting your life choices. So I genuinely like this chair. As an editor and a gamer, I spend too much time sitting, and my back usually feels like it's made out of Legos. But with this, I could sit for hours without any issues. So if you want to go ahead and level up your gaming chair, be sure to check out the link down below. And let me know in the comments what you think should be in the ultimate gaming chair. And with that said, we'll go ahead and see you guys in the next video. Take care now. Bye-bye. Are you done sitting, man? Let me sit.